Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to customize your smartwatch with photos from your gallery using the Hiwatch Pro app on an iPhone. Before we start, it's key that the watch is linked to your phone. If you're having trouble connecting it, make sure your Bluetooth is active. An important piece of advice: if you've tried connecting the watch before, go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, find the device in the list, and select Forget this device. This will clean the connection so the app can find it without errors. Now, open the app, go to the Settings section, and select Bind Device. When your watch appears, connect it and make sure to allow the two permission prompts that pop up on your screen. To enable custom backgrounds, you need to sign in. Head over to the Smartwatch Wallpaper tab at the bottom right corner. Here you can register with your email or, for a faster process, use your Apple account directly. This choice is up to you. Once you're logged into your account, go back to Settings and enter Dial Settings. Select any watch face model and choose the Install or Download option. Then, press Select Image. At this point, you'll need to grant the app permission to access your photos. Choose your favorite image from your gallery and proceed with the installation. I highly recommend doing this with a well-charged watch battery to prevent it from turning off during the transfer. If this tutorial helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.